G'day guys, we've got a 79 series dual cab here that we've just finished a Jmacx 4495 GVM and a few other awesome accessories. This one is for Dylan from Tasmania. It's going to head off for a tray to be fitted, come back for the 500 kilometre suspension check, and then it'll be heading off to Tassie. I'm going to show you through some of the bits and pieces that we've done and break down this build. So up the front, we've got the ATD Customs bar. This is the 2-post variant. It's got your inbuilt light bars, your LED indicators, and our winch compatibility. We've also got plenty of aerial tabs and provision for spotlights as well. Inside the bar, we've fitted up the worn VR Evo 12,000 pound winch, and we've hidden that control box to keep a nice sleek look. We've got the ATD 2-post side rails and steps with our inbuilt clearance lights, and Dylan's gone for some custom text on the tread plates as well. This barwork's been finished off in the shingle back coating. It's a black textured coating. We find it really hard wearing and it looks fantastic. We've got the Safari ARMAX 4-inch snorkel, which gives us a full 4-inch intake right through the airbox for any performance gains you require, but also to keep it sealed from dust and water. We've got the Clearview next gen mirrors. These are the electric power fold version, so we've got electric adjust and also the power fold function if required. Up the top, the ARB Base rack with the wind deflector on the front to cut down on wind noise, and we've fitted up a set of Method 312 HD wheels. These are the 17x9 with the neg 12 offset and the high load rating for the GVM upgrade. We've wrapped them in a set of BF Goodrich KM3 muddies, and they're a 35-inch tyre, which is completely legal Australia-wide with this GVM package. So this GVM, we've got the Jmacx Super Chassis. This is known as the 4495. We remove the factory chassis and weld the Jmacx clip into place. This gives us a 300mm chassis extension and also converts the rear suspension to coil springs. It gives us a track corrected rear diff housing. We've got an inbuilt long range tank, rear winch cradle, and a heavy duty tow bar as well. The GVM on this package, as per the name, 4,495 kilos. So it's the maximum available on a car license. With a manual transmission, we've got 4-ton towing, and on the auto, you've got 4.5. We've wired up a genuine tow bar harness, a Redarc electric brake controller, and we've got an adjustable hitch from Mr. Hitches. On this one, we've got the Torqit 3.5-inch stainless steel exhaust system. We've got the Airbag Man heavy duty airbags. We've got an NPC 1300 clutch, and we've also got the Marx full drive hydro booster and some Jmacx braided brake lines. This one has a 4-inch suspension package from Jmacx with front and rear coil springs and the Jmacx Alpha remote res shocks. In the front, some radius arms to get that caster under control, and the Jmacx steering damper to match the Alpha shocks. With this package, the 4-inch lift and the 35s, as I mentioned, are completely legal nationwide. So if you like what you've seen here, or if you're interested in more info about the Jmacx 4495, feel free to jump on our website or give the boys a call. Make sure that you like this video, turn on the notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.